Hey everyone, I'm Christy Vanover, the champion pitmaster for Team Girls Can Grill. Let's talk about Cowboy wood chips. So what exactly are wood chips? Well, it's hardwood that's been kiln dried and is ideal for cooking. It's been chipped into small pieces, making it perfect for cooking on any type of grill. Cowboy wood chips come in 5 different hardwood varieties. There's hickory, mesquite, apple, pecan, and cherry. And the cool thing is you can mix and match. So if you're doing pork, you might want to mix some apple with some hickory. If you're doing beef, I love using hickory and cherry. Pecan is a really great, nice, mild one for fish and seafood. And don't forget the apple. The apple's great on pork and seafood as well. You can use wood chips a few different ways, but first and foremost, do not soak them in water. They've been kiln dried to perfection, so you don't want to add any additional moisture. Otherwise, they'll steam instead of smoke. If you're using them on a gas grill, you're going to want to put them in either a foil pouch or a smoking box. That way they'll get that nice heat and smoke throughout your cook. If you're using them on charcoal, just sprinkle a few right on top of your lit coals, let them burn a little bit, close that grill lid, and then they'll create the perfect smoke that you need so you can get cooking with Cowboy.